So hi friends, we are back with the new Xiaomi Redmi 1S. Let me take a phone. Yeah, it was a new phone and I broke the seal just right now to check it what is inside. Let me go through its specs and unbox it first. Hmm, I don't like this wrapper at all. So this is the phone. It is a 4.7-inch Retina IPS display. First, let's find its battery and let it get booted. So it is a 2000 milliampere battery, and this is the first SIM. This is the second SIM. This is the 3G SIM, and this is the 2G connectivity SIM. This is the micro slot USB. It is supported up to 64 GB, and inside it is 8 GB. And this is a 8 megapixel camera with BSI sensor with LED flash, and it can record up to 1080p full HD video. So let's boot up the phone. Yeah, the phone is booted. So this is the power button, these are the volume buttons, and this is the micro USB slot for charging the phone, and this is the 3.5 mm jack. So the phone has the resolution of 1080 into 720p, and it has a processor of 1.6 gigahertz quad core and the chipset of Qualcomm. Let's actually I will like to go to UK. I don't know. Next, so let's go UK with shift key. Okay, skip, checking, continue, next, agree. So this is running on MIUI. It is actually built on 4.3 Android Jelly Bean and having MIUI version 5. Let's go and see the phone inside. Yeah, it is 4.3 version 5 and quad core chipset. As I told you, yes, the RAM is 1 GB and 4.80 GB is available in the internal memory for storage. And let's check a few things. Yeah, as I told you earlier also, it has a light mode which enables you to switch to the user who are not familiar with the Android, or they are old people, they like to see the big icons, and it is a kind of easy mode or the basic mode, which few people like it. The connectivity option also includes Wi-Fi, GPS, AGPS, and Bluetooth 4.0. So this is the phone rebooting again to check the light mode. So let's see how the light mode works in this phone. In the phone you have the charger, USB. Okay, swipe to unlock. So this is the gallery, camera, phone, message. It is particular, very basic look, nothing much more. And if you want to add the apps, there are all the apps, and if you want to go through the settings and change into the back what it was in the heavy mode or whatever you can say, so just go and go to the light mode. Let me find it, where it light mode, on it, and okay, so it is good. And here comes the USB charger which plugins into this. And yes, disappointingly the phone doesn't come with any headphones. So this is me. Like the video, share the video. The phone will be available only on Flipkart for 5999, from September 2. So let me know anything you want to extra know from me. Like the video, share the video, subscribe the channel. Okay, bye, see you, take care.